Welcome to the Dash Blueprint Library. Here I'm going to show you how to navigate into the Dash blueprints and how to use them for designing Dash buildings. You'll see that there are two blueprint files here. One is the new blueprint designed to the 2024 BC Building Code. It's applicable to 3 to 6 story wood frame projects in British Columbia. There is also an archive blueprint, which is designed to the larger format suites that comply with BC Housing's design guidelines. The choice to use them is with the architects, but in most cases, it is anticipated today that the blueprint for the 2024 BC Building Code will be sufficient for most uses. So click on this, and this will take you into the blueprint environment. You will see at the top of the page that the file is available for free download by clicking at the button here at the top right. In this file, there are a number of different views and options for the architects and the structural engineers and the other consultants to take a look and see the suites as laid out. It's in native Revit format, but the other options for different file formats and different applications, different softwares are all available, and it is transferable. This sheet navigates you into the files that are here on the platform. By zooming in, you will be able to see that all the different suite configurations are here in an organization and configuration overlay. The way that the Dash blueprint works is it's a standard kit of parts that can be broken out into different scales of model and module, assuming a flat pack, panelized construction approach that will suit suites from studios all the way up to multi-bedrooms. The studio modules are in this file here. So you can see here that these are all pre-designed, pre-dimensioned, and laid out for rapid deployment and inclusion into the design workflow. And there are different configurations and adjustments. The 1 bedrooms, similarly, are here. And so we also have 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms you can see here, and 4 bedrooms. All of these files are laid out in similar fashion. Putting them all together, there are 3 options for doing this. There is a schematic layout that illustrates how these suite modules, for want of a better term, can be assembled into a double-loaded corridor, straight bar format plan. For each site, which will be unique, the intention is that these plans will be adjusted, pushed, pulled, and organized in a way that suit the site-specific characteristics. The intention of this is absolutely not to be a cut and paste plan. So this shows how it might be assembled. You'll see that there are also escape stairs, elevators, and space on the ground floor for amenities that can be filled and adjusted to suit. There is an option for addressing corners, so orienting into a C-shaped plan. And there are different configurations for this, both a lower level ground floor and for upper floors. The suite units, if I go back to this particular configuration for the 2-bedroom versions, are just moving them up so that we can see them better, have spaces and layouts and all of these adjustments to show how that they all comply with BC Building Code and, again, with BC Housing standard expectations around suite design. Again, architecture options are with the architects to develop and design and build from. These are your base systems to expedite the orientation and configuration of the suites themselves. And these are all designed to be coordinated and to be assembled into a building in a quick way possible. The wall assemblies and the partition assemblies in these suite layouts have all been configured with prefabrication in mind. So this file and the design that is built into these systems all work with the prefabrication processes. So again, standardized dimensions where possible. The repeatability of those standard dimensions are encouraged so that, you know, limiting the number of different panel sizes and dimensions to achieve those economies of scale from repeatability are encouraged. These files, just to reorient everybody again, the download button is here on the top right, and they will export in Revit format, but it's exportable and transferable into other softwares as applicable.